Hello दोस्तों, I'm from Smart Job Search. We are the recruiters who are associated with the few of the companies for which right now we are hiring. So if you are looking for any change, then you can directly DM us through our LinkedIn. So we are posting it now on the YouTube through YouTube video. You can see that. So you can mention that date as well, the posting date. So it is valid for a couple of days, I would say. सो इफ यू आर इंटरेस्टेड एंड आपकी रिज्यूमे अगर इससे मैच हो रहा हो, आप अगर चेंज देख रहे हो, तो यू कैन डायरेक्टली DM us. So I'm posting it live. Here we go. Hello everyone. I hope you all are doing well and safe. Doing well. Yeah, exactly. So asking a gentle comment is always preferable. We are hiring for our client companies. The role that we are hiring is automation test engineer. So if you are automation test engineer and looking for change, so you can directly apply here, and you can directly DM us so that we can connect with you, and depending on that we can take it to the further process as well. So we are hiring for the senior automation test engineer also. It is one of the important responsibility in most of the companies. At this moment we are just posting the basic things, the basic requirements that we are required. So basic requirements are a candidate must have 3 to 5 years of experience. 3 to 5 years of experience जो हमें चाहिए. और दूसरा जो इम्पोर्टेंट चीज है वो चाहिए, मीन्स you should work on mobile, I would say mobile application testing using Selenium. Selenium, or we can say Appium. Okay, and these are the basic requirements that we require. So if you are interested and looking for any change, you can DM us. We are happy to help you and give the best opportunity we can. So this is about the post. As I mentioned, we are looking for automation test engineer or senior, or I can say और senior automation test engineer. Basic requirements मैंने यहाँ mention कर दी है. 3 to 5 years of experience, mobile application testing using Selenium. Basic mobile application. Yeah. If you are interested and looking for any change, you can DM us. We are happy to help you and give the best opportunity. So this is for which we are looking for. You can check the time out as well. So if you are interested, you can apply it for the couple of days, and don't worry, हम जब भी कोई भी अपॉर्चुनिटी रहेगी तो हम ये YouTube चैनल पे पोस्ट करेंगे. और if you really want to change in the future or right now, you can directly subscribe to this YouTube channel as well, and you can directly follow us on LinkedIn. And trust us, we are the recruiters. We are not like other people who are uploading the videos that this particular company is having the vacancies. We are associated with the companies. So at least if you have a talent, if you are looking for change, you can connect with us. We are filling that breach of connecting the people to the actual HR, the recruiter that we are handling right now. So आप DM कर सकते हो, so that we can share the name of the company and the detailed part with you as well. And अगर आपको अच्छा लगा, then you can forward it to your application as well, so we can proceed further ahead. So don't worry, regularly we are going to post if there is a vacancy, if there is an opportunity. अगर आप कौन से भी क्षेत्र में हो फिलहाल और आपको अगर चेंज चाहिए, if you are looking for change, you can directly mention it into the comment box. So if there is an opportunity, we will connect with you directly. That's we usually do. And all the best. Okay, तो अभी मैं पोस्ट अपलोड कर देता हूँ. And the post that I'm going to upload here would be same as of, मतलब जो मैं YouTube पे भी डालूंगा, तो आपको ढूंढने में ज़्यादा परेशानी ना हो, ये सोचकर मैं ये पोस्ट अपलोड कर रहा हूँ. So yes, so we are going to go ahead, and all the best. If you find that you are really looking for the opportunity and आपको जैसा चाहिए वैसा ही है, then you can directly apply here. It's a best opportunity, I would say. Go ahead. चलिए, तो मैंने अपलोड कर दिया है. अगर आपके कोई फ्रेंड्स वगैरह जो देख रहे हैं अपॉर्चुनिटी, तो यू कैन डायरेक्टली शेयर द पेज स्मार्ट जॉब सर्च. हियर यू कैन सी. So all the best, and thank you so much for watching the videos. Hope you liked it. Okay.